Just a little look in on this dunnock now. This is the one I found with 2 eggs, and of course the female's just been sitting here. I just looked in and she hopped off. She's got a clutch now of 4, which is excellent. Beauty. Focus in. Yeah, we'll get out. Let her get back in. That one there looks like successful, that one. Fleds the nest. That's a dunnock. 2 chicks were growing rapidly in there last time I was here. I would expect them to have gone. But what I'm surprised not to see is the unhatched egg. Strange. See loads of debris off the chicks in there. See how they've got out. Good stuff. Get out. Just back at the fence line dunnock. It's a hard one to get into this, and just had the clutch of 3. 2 chicks were growing rapidly in there, and that's gone. They've gone there now. It's left that egg over. It was a story of last year with the dunnock's nests. Unhatched eggs in nests. But that was an absolute beauty nest, that. But it's finished now. Hard one to get into. Yeah, they've gone. Right, we'll get out. Just a quick look in on this little Chiffchaff here. And that's got young in there now, which is great. Chiffchaff wants to get back in. Nestled in there, bramble. Right, we'll get out. Looking at that one there, that's another little Chiffchaff I had. This is at the base of this big gorse with bramble in and around. And she's still sitting eggs in there. Eggs in there. So we'll let her get back in. What's that little beauty that is? Yeah. We'll get out. Nice one. That little wren just nestled in there. I found that when he was taking all the bracken and whatnot in, and it's got its female in there now, where it's just got 2 eggs. But that's great, that. Excellent. That's a lovely little one as well. Nestled in that gorse there. Beauty. Right, we'll get out. Yeah, just back at the other Chiffchaff nest, and she's still on the clutch. There's still eggs in there. It's the magnificent one. It's a beauty, this. Hard to find again. Yeah. If you can see in there, we'll get out. There she is there. Little clump of grass there. She is a beauty. Get out. Just in here, just have a little look in on the dunnock. It's low and the eggs are hatched. She had a clutch of 4. Yes. Very low in the gorse, foot off the deck. So the eggs have hatched out. Excellent. Right, we'll get out. Hungry chicks. Just quickly looking in, peering in through there. Nothing became of that black cap. Nah. It does look like it's added more. Maybe it's not, I don't know. But nah, no development on that one. I've got another one of these to check. We'll see. See, that's the other one. See a feather in there, which I thought was going to be built. But it's been a few days for that one as well. The search goes on. Surprised, I thought I might have had one there. Nay. No joy. There's blackcap everywhere in this area. Right, I'm going to get out, cover this up. Just in there, a garden warbler has just been going crazy. I was in this other little section of bramble, come away, couldn't find anything. Just dipped my head here, and a bird was in the bramble, out it went. So that garden warbler around the back was the male, and it was all over, and you can see there how it's building that nest up there. Right, we're going to get out. Yeah, it's back. So we'll get out now. Yeah, he's all over. That's him. Back again, the male. Right, we'll get out. Come on. There's female bullfinch on the nest there. In this course. It's going to blur it out there, I think. She's a beaut. Yeah, we'll get out. Just a quick peer in at the first yellow hammer nest. And as you can see, that now has young. It's the clutch of 3. There's 2. Yeah, I think there's one there. I think we'll get out. 2 hungry ones. Right, we're gonna get out. Here's a good no bird. Oh, I think it's got a lovely clutch of 5 in that now. Yeah, excellent. We'll get out. Beauty. Cover it up. Yeah, the wren on the path is no more. You can see it's been hacked through the side there. All the fellas there. Aye. Yeah, it looks like it's been hacked in from the side, that, because the hole's underneath and at the front. Yeah, get out. Unfortunately. There's a lovely new long-tailed tit nest. I've just watched both parent birds drop over the caterpillars. They're just in this little birch next to me. So we'll get out, but it's feeding young in there. It's not going to let us see it. Beauty. Get out. You see in there, there's a beautiful new linnet nest gone in there. Just putting the finishing touches on. Some lovely feathering in that. Beauty. Fantastic. Yeah, we'll get out. Beauty. I'm just back at the missile thrush, and I was living in hope a bit, but as you can see there, nothing ever happened to that. It's obviously been lost early, that one. Never mind. Shame. Right, we'll get down. Quick check in on this white throat now. Yeah, that's lined. And that's the clutch forward there now. Beauties as well. Excellent. Right, working out. Yeah, clutch forward and that white throat.